I just know that this new collection and these styles, they're gonna go. Hey you guys, welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, we have another Zeelool haul. I'm so excited. As you guys know, Zeelool is one of my absolute favorite websites, and they offer my favorite blue light glasses as well as prescription glasses that you can get through their website as well as on their mobile app. Let's go ahead and jump into our Zeelool haul today. Alrighty you guys, so here is the package. Let's see what's inside. Of course, as always, we have our PD ruler that comes inside of every package. Inside of the package, it also includes some cloths. They send you enough so that you have one for each pair of glasses, which I absolutely love. And then you will also receive a coupon in your package, a little scratch off, as well as all of their social media information and QR code on the back side. Let's go ahead and jump into the haul of glasses. Now, again, this is another time where I'm unaware of what they're going to send me, but I do know that this is a new collection. I'm really excited to see what we have inside of here. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is going to be the first pair of glasses. What? Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Hold on, let me go ahead and take this off. Cloths to clean off the lenses. Look at that. It's like, it almost reminds me of like an infinity sign. And I love how the detail of the rhinestones just kind of goes in like, almost like an S shape, but sideways. It's really, really pretty. And then we have this on the very end of the glasses. It almost gives like opal, but it's really, really pretty. Let's try these on and see what they... Oh, wow. This is such a fun pair, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I have any like really fun pair of glasses like this. So this is a first. What do you guys think? This is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna do some looks with this. This is so cute. Let me know what you guys think about this pair down below. Okay, let's see what we have in the bag for our second pair. Oh, look at these. Okay, so this pair has like that chameleon kind of rainbowy effect going on. As you can see right here along the side, it's clear, but then the actual stem is that chameleon rainbowy kind of color here. So it goes from the purple down to green. It's really, really pretty. And then this one, I love the shape of these. Let me wipe these off actually. I had to wipe those off really quick. They had some lint on them, but look at the shape of these. And then it's just so rounded in rhinestones. It almost reminds me of like swimmer's goggles based on the shape that goes around the eye. And I love how slim this is. Let's try it on and see what it looks like on my face. Yeah, gotta take some pics in these. This is so cute. I've never had a pair of glasses this shape before, and it complements my little round face very well. I love these. These are so cute. What do you guys think of these? Wow, these are so pretty, you guys. Oh, yes, they ate with these. They really ate. This is definitely a look. Okay, I might keep these out to the side. Okay, so on to the next pair of glasses that we got in. Oh, you know what's crazy? I've literally been wanting a tortoiseshell pair of glasses that's just fully the traditional tortoiseshell print. This, let me wipe them off. Let's wipe these off. Look at this, you guys. So pretty, and I love this shape. Oh my God. You guys see that detail? Okay, let's try these on. Wow, you guys, this is a really pretty everyday pair of glasses. This I could dress up, I can dress down. It looks really good with my gold accessories. So pretty. This is so cute. I love these glasses, but you guys know, you already know, I'm a huge fan of tortoiseshell, so just to have a traditional pair is perfect for me. And do you guys see the shape around the frame? So nice. This is really clean. This is a clean pair of glasses. I love these. Thank you, Zeelool. We got more. Okay, so for this pair here, this is definitely just going to be one of our more traditional pair. So as you can see, the frames are clear and it has that cat eye effect at the top corner. And if you can see, the hardware is actually rose gold, which is really nice. And again, clear here. And then you have your rose gold here where the nose bridge is. All right, let's go ahead. Let me give you guys a really good view really quick. And then let's go ahead and try these on. I mean, y'all know how I feel about a clear pair of glasses, especially the cat eye kind of shape. This is my go-to shape of glasses, so you already know this is going to be one of my favorites. But I really do enjoy the fact that the details on here are in rose gold. These are really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. And next, let's see, drum roll, drum roll. Let's see if we can get a drum roll in here. Oh, I didn't even know that these were gonna look like this. I did not know these were gonna look like this, you guys. Okay, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, let me just show y'all. So, very similar to the ones that have like the chameleon kind of cover with the clear covering along the sides. These are a little bit more of like that traditional shape of glass, I would say. It doesn't have like that same like different shape of the other ones. Now, this one is completely covered with the rhinestones, but the color, like the accent color around it, is actually gold. Can you guys see that? Look at that. And it has really cute detailing inside of here along the side. It's like little stars. So pretty. Look at that. I really like that it has this cutout here. It's just super clean. The clear is clean. Look at that. Okay, let's go ahead and try these on. Look at that. Look at these glasses, you guys. They're so pretty. Okay. I've never ever owned a pair of rhinestone glasses that look like this before. I love that it's small. It's not super gaudy. It doesn't seem like it'll easily just fall out. This quality feels really, really nice. What do you guys think about this pair? And of course, I will have every single item linked down below. If you see anything that you like, be sure to go check it out because their glasses sell really fast. And I just know that this new collection and these styles, they're gonna go. So, so pretty. You guys see? See that glisten? When the light hit, the ice starts twinkling, glistening. Come on. Let's see what else we got. Let's go ahead and open up the next pair. How many pairs did they send me today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They sent me 7 pairs. I think that's the most that they've ever sent me. So they sent me 7 pair of glasses. Let's see. Okay, we got another print. We have another print, and this is more of that white tortoiseshell. So this is a bit different from the other pair. What I love is that I love a good print. Just a nice clean print by itself. You don't need too much going on. And this is covering the full frame, which I personally love. And then right here along the side, right on that edge, we have this really pretty rhinestone detailing, and then the gold sides, and then the right there on the temple tips, it's that same print. See that? It's so pretty. Okay, let's try these on. I'm excited for these. I look smart. Every time, they do it every time. Like, look at that. I just love this shape on me. It's so pretty. They do it every time. Like, and what's crazy is like I was randomly on Facebook and I saw an ad with one of the videos of me wearing the glasses, and there were so many people in the comments and they're just like, the quality is so amazing. I have these glasses, I love them, and they're so heavy duty, and like, they're great glasses. Really, really good glasses. I'm wearing these today. I don't know, it's between these and the brown tortoiseshell pair, but then also the chameleon, right? I don't know, you guys tell me. What do you think? Which glasses should I wear today? Because they're so pretty, like. Okay, you guys, for the final pair that they sent today, it's gonna be in this little baggie here, and let's see what glasses we have. The fact that I did not even, like, when I tell you guys, I put the glasses down, I don't know what order I'm pulling them in, I just grab and go. The fact that this is the last pair is crazy. They've outdone themselves. Hold on, let me clean this off. This is going to be the final pair of this new collection. So, as you can see, the rhinestones trace along the bottom of the glasses, and then along the side. So pretty. Now, behind the rhinestones, you actually see that there's gold detailing, which, as you know, I love gold. And then when you get down to those temple tips, it's like again, a really pretty opal detailing. Can you see that? Can you guys see? So pretty. Look at those details. Look at those rhinestones. I like that same kind of cat eye structure that I like, but I like that it's open along the top. So let's see what these are giving. See what these look like on the face. Hello. You guys see this? This is, oh. They ate with this. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. I love these. These are so cute. Okay, I'm keeping these on for the rest of the video. Alrighty, you guys, so that is going to be the entire haul today. If you liked anything that you saw in this video, of course, it'll be linked down below with a discount code for you guys to save on your purchase. And thank you again to Zeelool for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love these glasses. Like, do you guys see? I don't want to take these off. So again, if you guys like these, let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.